Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So right now I am in Santorini, Greece. Have some free time, so I thought I would make a video. So this has been I've been getting a lot of requests regarding how to make money when you are working as a IT professional or any other job. When you have a day job, how to tackle both the stock market and your day jobs. So as you guys know that I've been working in IT for 4 years. I was lucky enough to get a shift where it starts from 3 p.m. till 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 a.m. So I was able to trade during the day, and also when I get back to the office, I was able to trade crude oil. So it totally depends on the shift. So if you are like a 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. shift, you may have to consider trading in swing. I mean, basically trade in cash market, because you wouldn't have the time to go through the stocks during the day when the market is on live. Swing trading is one of the most if simple and efficient way to make money, because people have this tendency that only through intraday you can make huge sum of money. No, it's not the case. My last 2 years of income that I've already posted on YouTube is the proof for that. No matter where the market goes, there are always stocks that you can capture, and you can make money through that. If you are from a day job, you can definitely go for the swing trading. So let's say your shift is from 3 p.m. till 1 a.m. or 12 a.m. What you can do is you can trade during the day. It can be swing or intraday, whatever you want. And also, if you get a chance, you can also trade in crude oil. But it depends, because I was fortunate enough to get a job where I was able to trade both the stocks and crude oil, because my managers weren't here. All my managers were working in New York, so no one was overseeing us, and we had that freedom. So I was lucky enough. So basically, if you get a work from home job, that is going to be very easy for you, because you can definitely trade during the whole day. This is one thing that you should keep in mind. So the next would be, people have this tendency to read a lot of technical analysis book. It's not wrong, but after a point, I think you should stop reading technical analysis book, because for basics, yes, you should rely on these books to get the basics strong. But after that, after going through a lot of market experience, after having an experience, so what happens is you may be a little bit confused as to what to use basically in technical analysis. So basically, you can read psychological books and anything that helps you grow, but I think it is better if you stop reading a technical analysis book after a point. Let's say 1 or 1.5 years. If you're already in the market, I don't think you have to read any technical analysis book, because you will gain the experience from the market itself. That is going to be a good learning than the book that you're going to read. So this is something that I would keep in mind, because I don't remember the last book that I read about technical analysis. It's only during the beginning stage, and I also remember getting confused as to which one to choose, and that is why I stopped reading technical analysis altogether. And so the next important thing would be to choose the style of trading that suits you better, because there are like a lot of ways to make money in stock market. So I've seen people making money only through IPOs, and there are people who makes money only through intraday or through swing or positional. Some people are like, they invest only in long term, they feel confident only in that. So basically, it all comes down to what kind of trading that suits you better, because you have to feel confident when you're trading, be it intraday or long term or swing. So if you choose the right kind of trading style, that would be better for you, and it can be anything. And you have to try everything and see what fits you better. So that is very important key thing, because some people cannot do intraday because there is a lot to go through. The emotions will be at stake, and some people will feel confident only in long term. You have to be very sure what you're going to pick and how you're going to master that. So whatever I did in my career, I did it because I felt confident, and I did not touch certain areas of trading, because I know that those are not my strengths. I stick to my strengths, and that is why I was able to make some little money. This is all the things that you should keep in mind. So these are the things that you should keep in mind to become successful in stock market.